Hi, my name is Brittany Bucko. Welcome to this episode of Become a Hero. Today we are going to talk about organ donation by the numbers. We'll look at the importance and ease of registering to become a potential organ donor. We'll also talk about some of the statistics for people waiting to receive these life-saving gifts. One registered organ donor can save 8 lives and improve the lives of up to 75 more people. There are 8 organs that can be donated that will help save people's lives. They are the heart, 2 lungs, 2 kidneys, liver, pancreas, and intestines. There are other tissues that can be donated that can dramatically improve the lives of 75 more people. These include the 2 corneas, the middle ear, skin, heart valves, bone, veins, cartilage, tendons, and ligaments. These tissues can be stored in tissue banks and used to restore sight, cover burns, repair hearts, replace veins, and mend damaged connective tissue and cartilage in the recipients. Tissue donation must be started within 24 hours of death. However, tissue can be processed and stored for an extended period of time. Hands and face are also now included on the donation list. There are 5 places you can register to become an organ donor in New York State. You can go to the website donatelife.ny.gov/register. Another place to register is when applying for or renewing a learner permit, driver's license, or ID at the New York State DMV office. If you are applying for health insurance through the New York State of Health Office Marketplace, you can register when you apply for insurance. If you are registering to vote in New York, you can also now register to become an organ donor at the same time. When you register, you'll need 3 pieces of information to get started: your mailing address, your email address, and the last 4 digits of your Social Security number. You need to be at least 16 years old to register. In 2019, nearly 1 in 3 people who were organ donors were between 18 and 34 years old. Not everyone who registers as a donor is able to donate. In fact, only 3 in 1,000 people die in a way that allows for organ donation. That's why more willing donors are needed. There are currently over 107,000 men, women, and children on the waiting list for an organ. Every 9 minutes, another person is added to this list. And every day, 17 people who are on this list die waiting for an organ transplant. Although 90% of people think organ donation is a good idea, less than half of eligible New Yorkers are registered organ donors. In 2004, my brother Brandon, who was 32, was in an accident that damaged his liver. He needed a liver transplant. Within a few hours, one became available. We were shocked and excited. This really was an extremely bittersweet moment for our family. On the one hand, my brother was going to have a second chance of life. On the other, we were very aware that there was another family who was losing a beloved member. We were aware of the grief this family was going through. I can only hope that the family and friends of this person can understand the gratitude I feel for the ultimate gift of love they gave me, a complete stranger. Registering to become an organ donor is easy. The application only takes about 5 minutes to complete and can be done on a computer or your phone. There are a few ways to make tragedy into something wonderful in this world. When you register to become an organ donor, more than 80 lives can be saved and improved. This is what makes every organ donor a true hero. Go to donatelife.net for more information and to learn how you can register to become a hero. Thank you for listening.